my little chain, like the little wire to turn me on, and now no, okay, I get it. Oh wait, you're gonna boost up. Hey Mountain, guess what? I got into UFO's Got Talent. Isn't that so cool? Like cool. Like, I mean, it's cool. I like how you got into like. Hey Minute. I didn't get talk. Oh yeah. Cool. Sunglasses is cool. I love cool. I love cool stuff. Cool stuff is cool. Apple, please don't spill me over. Don't worry, I will. I'm so pretty talk. I'm so pretty talk. Hey, Dirk, do I look good? Hey, why is paper here? Paper's in silent. Who's the orange block? In the house. What host? A game show host. Oh no. Hey, where's the podium at? It's in front of us. Why? Don't ask me that. Time to pick teams. Chainsaw, teacher, and UFO. Pick teams, please. I'll choose pineapple. Yeah! Easy. Puddle. I'll choose bucket. Yeah! Cookie. Easy again. Glass of water. I'll choose TV. I'll choose paper. Green. Why did you pick me? I'll choose sunglasses. Yeah. Apple. Hat. Speaker box, I guess. I'll choose mountain. And dirt. Easy enough. I guess we'll take man the silent. Easy. Chainsaw's team name is the Angry Chainsaws. UFO's team is Team Jimbo. And T-shirt's name is Team Stains. Okay, good. The first challenge is that you have to make a giant airplane and paper, to be exact, and ride across the canal. Got it? I'm just making a paper airplane. Done. Now just time to supersize this. Ding! Here you go. Everyone in! I'm a fool because I'm an apple. 1 hour later. Yay, we're safe. Everyone get in the paper airplane. Yeah. Wait, guys. What's that in the sky? Everyone, grab on. Whee! We're doing this. We're going. Let's go. We made it. Hey, what's this? I want to touch it. Hey, Chainsaw, you saved us all. Yeah, we are immune. Well, that wraps it up. Well, that means Team Stains is up for elimination. So here's a photo of all the Team Stains members. Please vote in 24 hours. Got it? Peace out. News.